Te kablechibon sa SNP hakaneka channel. Tem tak singi ngila ka environmental studies ngila dep ya ke child development ga language tu bat ka mathematics kini ke lai tali ke video ngila dep te la da pim pa i bila ban pe ya po ka description box tem tak singi ngila ka environmental studies te borok kini kalong lai pe tali ki question te kani ke dai ka MTET past year question 2023 jongka LP mo teng let daerah ka environmental studies te kani ka environmental studies kaneru kalong live health ki question kalong compulsory the question number kandai away NCF 2005 strongly recommend that teaching of EVS at the primary stage should aim at linking classroom learning to life outside the school. So C is the correct answer. 92. Which of the following objective is not related to EVS teaching as listed in NCF 2005? So here D is the correct answer, to memorize basic concept and principle regarding the environment. So question number 93. Good environmental curriculum at the primary stage should provide opportunities to explore surroundings. So B is the correct answer. Question number 94. An EVS teacher takes students on a cloudy day to watch and observe the clouds for their pattern, shape and size, and uses the knowledge gathered by the student to explain concepts like the formation of rain. Which of the following method of teaching is used by the teachers? So here question number 54, observation method. So here C is the correct answer. Question number 95, problem solving method help learner in acquire knowledge which is more meaningful. So D is the correct answer. Question number 96, an EVS teachers ask question during the course of teaching learning process to manage children learning progress. This type of assessment is called formative assessment. So D is the correct answer. Question number 97, the collection of actual work done by the student during the teaching learning process is called portfolio. So B is the correct answer. Question number 98. We will come to question number 98. Which of the following is not a formative assessment? So observation during the group activities, option A. Option B, class work exercise. Option C, conducting paper pencil test. Option D, given homework assessment. So here question number 98, conducting paper pencil test. So here C is the correct answer. Question number 99, which local expert will you as a teacher invite to teach your student about food crop? So here question number 99, A is the correct answer, farmer. So question number 100, to help your student understand better about plant in general and weed in participant, a skilled environment teachers invite a farmer. The teachers is use which of the following teaching learning resources? So here community resource. So here is the correct answer. The 101, which of the following teaching learning material is an electronic media? So here television. D is the correct answer. Question number 102, environmental being an interdisciplinary area, seek a linkage between the natural environment and dash environmental of a child. So question number 102, A is the correct answer, socio-economic. So question number 103, which of the following is a renewable resource? So here D is the correct answer, water. The primary source of energy in a food web is both A and B are correct. So here I will choose A is the correct answer, or B. Both A and B is the correct answer. So question number 105, the main occupation of the people of Meghalaya is agriculture. C is the correct answer. Question number 106. A herbivore is also known as. Question number 6. Herbivore is also known as first order consumer. So B is the correct answer. Question number 107. Wheat, rice, maize, barley, and pulse are obtained from plant. D is the correct answer. Question number 108. Food rich in protein is called body building food. So A is the correct answer. So question number 109. Which gas is responsible for global warming? So carbon dioxide. C is the correct answer. Question 110. A ball is made out of lump of clay. The clay ball is not shaped as the rectangle. The change observed in the above activities is here. Question 110. A is the correct answer. Physical change. Physical change is now to a kano pila nuksa kumga ice cream nane ka pi bo fresh ya ka nangta kalong tha nangta haden kalong biang anda pila hit ya ka kalong kata kadai ka chemical change ka physical change nuksa ngiyo biang kum kane ba ka ai hang ne nangta kum ka kano ka ba kalong physical te kane kadai ka physical change. Nata question chispa kharbe deficiency of which vitamin causes bleeding gum. So here B is the correct answer. Vitamin C. Question number chispa khat ar kalong which of the following matter has a definite shape and volume. So here D is the correct answer. Solid. Question number chispa khalai the various state of matter can be interchanged into one another by alternating the condition of both A and B, both volume and pressure. Question number chispa khatsao. When did the government of India pass the Environment Protect Act? Kane chispa khatsao kalong 1986. So here C is the correct answer. 1986. So question number chispa khatsan. Which of the following national park is known as the land of spirit? Land of spirit. Which of the following national park is known as the land of spirit? The correct answer is A. Balpakram National Park. A is the correct answer. Balpakram National Park. Question number chispa khanru. The most important reason for decrease in biodiversity is habitat destruction. So B is the correct answer. Question number chispa khanyo. The climate of Meghalaya varies with the altitude. So D is the correct answer. The Nongklam wildlife sanctuary is located in which district of Meghalaya? So Ribhoi is the correct answer. The percentage of people of Meghalaya who depend on agriculture is approximately 80%. The area of Lake is approximately 220 square kilometer. 220 square kilometer. So hangning ila adep ya ka environmental studies. Ta kublai shibon ngene champion ha next video.